What's going on, guys? Vincent, Director of Sales, out here with Edward. He has a lot of experience in real estate, so I wanted to ask him a question when it comes to it. Edward, when you do real estate, and people are talking about, hey, should I replace the roof? Should I do the concrete, window, siding, whatever? What do you tell them? What do you tell them on most cases?
I mean, yeah, absolutely, guys. So, I mean, if you're looking to sell your home, especially in this market, which we do know, depending on where you are, it is more of a down market, right? We know rates are still high. So buyers are a lot pickier. You know, it's not like what it was in 2022, where as long as you had a heartbeat and you had a house, you could sell it, right? Buyers are being very picky because homes are sitting. So if your roof clearly needs to be replaced, that is something I recommend you getting addressed, or be prepared to address it when you have a buyer that's interested. Because of course they're going to notice it right away, right? Now you may not have to give the full 20 grand to replace that roof, but they're definitely going to ask for 10 to 15, if not the full 20. The same thing with siding. You guys got to think about that, right? When a client walks up to your house, that's the first thing they're going to see, right, is your siding. That's the perceptual vision of your home. Now remember, buyers are pickier. They're wanting to buy a house and make it theirs. So if they see the siding needs to be addressed, they may not ask you to replace the siding or fix it, but I promise you, if your home's been sitting a bit, they're definitely going to ask for additional seller concessions. The same thing with concrete. Now put yourself, if you're a seller, put yourself in the buyer's shoes, right? If you're looking to buy today, knowing homes are sitting, and you drive up and you see the concrete, the driveway has to be fixed. The siding clearly needs to be replaced or repaired. The roof clearly needs to be replaced. What would you do as the buyer? You would do the same thing. You would ask for those items to be addressed. So I highly recommend, if you're a seller, you're looking at listing your home and you know your home has these needs, hit up Capital City Roofing.
One more question. So I hear a lot of times real estate agents tell people, hey, don't worry about doing that. Don't worry, that's not needed. But I feel like you're saying the opposite. Why do you think real estate agents are saying that?
Well, put yourself in agent shoes, right? They do this for a living. And let's be real, the volume in real estate is significantly lower than it was 2-3 years ago. So quite frankly, you may have some agents out there that don't have the integrity that a lot of us do have. And they may be looking just to get a sell, and they may be looking just to get a listing. Now, I can't say that's for certain, but that does happen out there. And they may be looking to list your home based on what the value is today, but understand you're in a depreciating market. So if you're trying to list your home at what it's currently worth or what you believe it to be worth, and you know that you have the roofing needs to be addressed, siding, driveway, even windows, those little small things that you may overlook because you've been living there, but if you put yourself in the buyer's shoes, you know, and you should be prepared that they're going to ask for it. So why listing agents are saying that, I can't give you a 100% true answer, right? My recommendation would be is to be prepared. I have seen in my experience an agent will put a house in the market either at value or over value, and they're hopeful. They're hoping that they get an opportunity. I would recommend you be prepared and get those issues addressed.
All right, you heard it here from the man, Edward. Again, guys, get the roof, get the siding, get the concrete. It works out for everybody. You can enjoy the roof until you sell it. Once you sell it, you have that transferable warranty as well. Thank you, guys. We're out.